In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter on LinkedIn. If you want to build a stronger connection with your audience on LinkedIn, creating a newsletter is a great way to do it. It gives you a consistent format for sharing insights, updates, or industry knowledge, and it also makes it easier for people to subscribe and come back for future editions. The setup process is very straightforward, and once it's done, you can start publishing right away. To begin, go to your LinkedIn feed page. From there, look for the option that says Write Article and click on it. This takes you into LinkedIn's publishing area, where articles and newsletter editions are created. If you've never used this section before, don't worry. The layout is simple and designed to guide you through the process. Once you're in the article editor, move to the top right corner and click Manage. This is where LinkedIn gives you the option to organize publishing tools related to newsletters. After that, select Create Newsletter. This opens the setup window where you'll define the basic details for your newsletter. Now it's time to fill in the important information. Start by adding a title for your newsletter. Choose something clear and relevant to the kind of content you plan to share, since this title will help people immediately understand what your newsletter is about. Next, select how often you want to publish. Pick a schedule that feels realistic for you, whether that's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Consistency matters more than frequency, so it's better to choose a pace you can maintain. Then add a description to the newsletter. This should briefly explain what readers can expect when they subscribe. Keep it focused and easy to understand so your audience knows the value of following along. You also have the option to add an image or logo. This is a useful branding element because it helps your newsletter look more polished and recognizable. If you have a visual that matches your professional identity or topic, this is a good place to include it. When everything looks good, click Done. At that point, your newsletter will be created and LinkedIn will redirect you back to the article editor so you can begin writing your first edition. Now you can create your first article by writing your content directly in the editor. You can also add images and links to make the article more engaging and useful for readers. Once your content is ready and you've reviewed it, click Publish. That's it. Your LinkedIn newsletter is now live and you're ready to start building an audience through consistent, valuable content.